Esce, your way into advanced English. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to take a deep dive into a fascinating corner of English vocabulary: the irregular verb-forming suffix, esce. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify, understand and use verbs that end with esce. Before we get into esce, let's have a quick recap. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters that is added at the end of a word to change its meaning. In English, suffixes can change a word's tense, formality, or even its part of speech. Now, let's move on to the main star of today, the suffix esce. The esce suffix is derived from Latin, and it's not as common as some other verb-forming suffixes. But when you do see it, it often adds a really specific and interesting nuance to a verb. Generally, esce gives the verb a sense of beginning to or becoming, often implying a gradual or natural process. Let's look at a few examples of esce verbs. Convalesce is a great example. It means to begin to recover or regain health after an illness, emphasizing a gradual and often natural healing process. Obsolesce is another. This verb refers to the process of becoming obsolete or outdated, a change that often happens gradually over time. And finally, we have effervesce, which means to start to bubble, fizz, or show high spirit or excitement. Now, let's look at some sentences using these esce verbs. For convalesce, you could say, after surgery, she took a month off to convalesce. For obsolesce, an example might be, as technology advances, old models quickly obsolesce. And for effervesce, you could say, her enthusiasm began to effervesce when she talked about her research. These esce verbs can add a richness and depth to your English, particularly in more formal or literary contexts. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the esce suffix. It's not the most common suffix, but when you see it, you now know that it often hints at a gradual or natural process of change or development. We hope you enjoyed learning about this advanced aspect of English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and soon, your English skills may just effervesce. Until next time, happy learning!